In this session, we will learn how to use MBBM pattern in Gemini form. Model view model is a software architecture pattern. An MBBM application has three layers. The model provides underlying data, sometimes through files or web access. The view is the user interface or presentational layer generally implemented in YAML. The view model connect the model and the view. Let us see with an example. I have created three folders. One is model, second one is view, and third one is view models. Inside view, I place a login view. We have taken three fields here. One is entry for username, second one for password field, and third one is login button commands. At login view.yaml CS page, we can set the login view model binding context using CS page, or we can set the binding context on YAML page. There are two approaches where we can connect login view model using CS page, or we can also set binding context content page dot binding context VM. Here VM is the view model. View model name is login view model. I have created here login view models. I place here login view model and give the references of login view model class. You can set binding context inside YAML as well as on CS page. I remove from here. We can also set navigation page dot set navigation bar this dot false. It's make navigation bar false. We have login view models. Here login view model constructor have login model initialization and we have a command login command. Let us see after deploying the project at emulator. We can also get entry data, username, password through single property username and password, but here I have created a model class username field and password field. I place here email ID rabi@gmail.com. Password is 123456. Later on we have to apply validation on email field, password field. I click here login. You can see inside login model we have user details, username, password. You can also see inside login.yaml page here username, binding and password. This is the best approach for view model binding connection. Thank you.